It was right here in this exact spot about a year ago, going to the same festival that I'm trying to go to right now, and my car broke down. Right now, the car's running, I'm not going to say okay, but it's definitely running a whole lot better than it did last year. So we're on our way to Greenwood, Mississippi, or right outside Greenwood, Mississippi. We're going to the Money Road Unity Festival. Wow. Well, that doesn't tear my car up. I don't know what will. I eased on down the road with considerable caution, which means I drove slower than normal. Yep, 55 miles per hour.
Take the next left onto Money Road. Continue for 16 miles.
Alright guys, coming up on Bryant's Grocery. This is a spot where Emmett Till allegedly whistled at Carolyn Bryant. All right, kids, we done made it. Got a front row seat up in here. Check this out, y'all. I honestly thought that I had more video of Miss Terry Lynn. She and the Thunder Blues band rocked the house. Just listen to this.
Little delight under satin sheets. It's the midnight hour, but we still can't sleep 'cause you're
after the storm. Are your tears all gone? After the rain, does your life remain the same? After the storms are raging in your life, can you tell me how you can make it without Christ? Oh no, no, no. Yeah, somebody is watching you. Oh, oh, somebody. Sure enough, they're watching you. 'Cause they wanna do what they see you do. Oh, and they wanna be just like you.
I fell in love with Rita. She was about the death of me. I went all to pieces when she fooled around on me. But just because I don't play the blues don't mean I ain't had 'em. My son joined the Marine Corps right before 9/11, and I was so afraid that he would beat me into heaven. But just because I don't play the blues don't mean I ain't had 'em. Long black clouds coming over me, and it feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door.
It's this song, dedicated to Emmett Till, who apparently committed an act that was worthy of torture and death, at a small grocery store only 8 miles from this location back in 1955. Emmett was buried outside of Chicago almost exactly 65 years ago on September 6, 1955.
Emmett Till, does your soul wander still? O'er the flatlands of the Delta and the Tallahatchie fields, does your blood cry out for justice? And do you think it always will? Will there be any peace for the soul of Emmett Till?
Even though COVID-19 is all around, you see that we're practicing social distancing. We have our masks, and we're making sure that we enjoy this event safely. Next year, hopefully God's will, we'll be able to be wide open. Like Greenwood would say, wide open.
Hey, hey, back with my baby again. Hey, hey, back with my baby again. Man, it feels so good. I hope it never ends. Hey, sun going down. Got my baby in my arms. Say, sun going down. Got my baby in my arms. Man, I'ma hold her all night long until the morning comes.
He said you can save money in bells on it because it ain't nowhere to spend it.
Three little pigs where they built their house, doing what they could. They heard 5 knocks on the door. Then a wolf came and blew them outdoors. Is it true? Tell me, is it true? What they do to little girls like me while I'm walking in the forest. Now it's the end of the month and my check's already gone. Glad I stocked up on toilet paper. Pay all my bills, spend the rest on pot and pills. Crazy chick, baby, gonna get my crazy chick. That's what the doctor told me.
Going back to Louisiana, find me a mojo hand. Going back to Louisiana, I'ma find me a mojo hand. When I find my baby, she know this Creole man. Bad luck and trouble, people. The Lord has seen to follow me. Bad luck and trouble. Lord, it seemed, Lord, to follow me. Everyone for bad luck, I wouldn't have no luck at all. Going fishing, I'm going fishing, yeah. Wake up early in the morning and get my fishing pole. I'm going down that water Some people tell me now, well, the blues ain't bad. The worst kind of blues, y'all, this old boy ever had.
My wife and I met Mr. James Poe, the founder and organizer of the Money Road Unity Festival and director of WABG radio station.
Do you play this one, wild man? Yeah, I'm sitting here all alone, girl. Been wondering where you stay. Think you got me food tied, but every good dog's gonna have his day.
Gonna get that blues thing on. 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 We're gonna have a good time. We're gonna get a blues thing on.
In retrospect, I was talking to Mr. Groovy from Groovy's Garage out of Batesville and the organizer of the Cruising the Blues car show in Como, Mississippi, and he told me, thanks for helping keep the blues alive. Now, we've been doing the Blues Trail for nearly 3 years, and we never thought that we were contributing to the preservation of this music. We were just having a good time visiting the markets and learning some great history about some great performers and those who had a great influence on the blues. Even Casey Jones, the train engineer, had an influence on the blues. Which brings me to this point. Never think that whatever you do doesn't matter in the grand scheme of things. As long as you're putting your heart, soul, and 100% in it, you're making a positive difference. And Groovy, you better believe I'm bringing a formula to you to get it ready to accomplish the road to the goal as soon as I get my money right.
I'm gonna find me a boss man. Wanna treat me right. Get drunk in the daytime, stoned at night. Big boss man. Can you hear me when I talk? Well, you ain't so big. You just talk, that's all.
Right, you guys, we had a good time. I am serious. We had an excellent time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care, and as always, be blessed. Peace.